Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of detection of insects in the agricultural field. So it's very important to identify what kind of insects are coming into the farm and whether they are harmful to the crop or they are benefiting the crop. So some of the insects are really benefiting to the plants. For example, they may be useful in the pollination process. And a few insects categories, they are not good for the plant. They can damage the plant and also they can reduce the overall agricultural production. So we are proposing a system where we have trained the model on so many different types of insects, and whenever the farmer will upload the picture of the insect, the system will tell what type of insect it is, and also the system is going to tell us whether it's a harmful insect or it's a good insect, and if it is harmful insect, what kind of impact it's going to apply on the plant or the crop. That will be disclosed to the farmer. So accordingly the farmer can necessarily take action, or accordingly the farmer can ask for any kind of pesticide or any kind of thing, and then he can improve the overall agricultural production. So once the project is running, you will have to hit localhost 5000 in the browser. So this kind of page will open. It's a static page, and then here it is the important thing. Here you need to choose the file, and from that you can actually pick any image. For example, I will go and pick this image and then upload, and then if I test it, then I will get to know the type of the insect and its impact on the crop. So this is the insect and this is the impact of this insect on the crop. You can pick any other file as well. For example, I can go and then I can choose this one and then upload. This image will appear here, and then you can test, and then you can see the losses up to 10% can be done by this kind of insight. So in order to implement this project, we are using Python as a programming language at the backend side, and at the front end side we have created HTML and CSS framework, and the Flask framework is used to create a web application, and the convolutional neural network algorithm is used to detect the insects. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need any kind of support or code of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.